for the last video, which is number 10, find the department with the lowest average staff to patient ratio. So, as you can see here, in the select, we're going to select a department ID and department name. Then round count, we're going to call out the staff ID and let if call patient ID as staff to patient ratio from department. So we're going to call out the list join staffs on department equals staff ID, the list join patient P on the department ID, patient ID. Then group by department ID and department name, order by staff to patient ratio, and we're going to use limited at limit 1. So
this is the third time Israel has attacked Lebanon.
To run the record, and as you can see that here na show siya.